Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. Welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Bing Wallpaper. Bing Wallpaper is a Microsoft product. It gives you a very new experience to desktop user. So when you use this Bing Wallpaper, your desktop wallpaper will be automatically changed every day after 24 hours. So now I will going to show you how to install Bing Wallpaper on Windows 11 PC. So I open my browser and I search Bing Wallpaper and hit enter. After that, I see a list of links. So I click on first link of the Google search and then I click on install now. After click on install button, it is downloading Bing Wallpaper setup file. So setup file is downloading. So after download the setup file, I click on open folder button and it is my setup file. So I double click on it and minimize Explorer. It is setup wizard. So I uncheck these two optional options. I click on install now. Installation process take few seconds. After install, desktop wallpaper will be automatically changed to today's Bing wallpaper. So I click on finish button and I refresh on desktop. Within few seconds, desktop wallpaper will be automatically changed. It take few minutes. So I am waiting. This is today's Bing wallpaper. So it will automatically change tomorrow. So that is the benefit of Bing Wallpaper software. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page and hit the like button of this video. Thank you for watching this video.